The following is a list of companies that we've been using since the very beginning, and now they actually help us provide some of this content for you guys. We'd love it if you would show them some support.
Perfect.
Now we got to this new farm here. Shooting the Crown Continuum 25 cal. He's shooting his Wildcat in 25 cal MK3. Steve's shooting my Wildcat MK3.
I noticed how you did a really big emphasis on my.
Yeah.
Well, if I don't do that, I tend to lose them.
Yeah.
You slowly lose possession.
Yeah.
And once again, this is the second time that I've come to this farm fully unprepared. You guys have mats to lay on.
Yeah, look at this
Doesn't he
baby.
have two of those in the back of his truck?
He probably does. Do you?
I may have two other ones in there. I'm not sure. I think
The very
Not just
first
one,
time,
but two.
the very first time I laid down. See how there's everything sticking to me?
yeah.
He didn't even.
Because
feel
I
like
laid on a
offering
pine
one to
cone.
you.
And the
Oh, nice.
sound. Yeah. So, two
Oh, is
seconds
that
here,
pine
I'm all
cone I
done.
threw? Well, I threw a pine cone so I wouldn't be laying on one.
All right, here we go. First bird of the new farm. 3, 2, done. Off the back and a pile of feathers. All right, so we're going for a triple here. Norm, you're all the way up top, right? I'm right next to you.
Yep.
Steve, you're left of me.
Oh, okay. So we're all right.
You're on page?
Yeah, I'm holding two.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2. Mine fell dead. All right, I'm in the middle. Norm, you're right.
Yep.
The way the pigeons are facing makes me think we shouldn't even hold wind right now, guys.
Okay.
So here we go. 3, 2, dead.
Oh, mine's done.
Yeah, mine too.
Good wind call, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Nope.
Hey, how's it going, sir? Got a few of them already. Yeah. There are. We've been watching them. I think we're gonna roll up in there with. We've got some nice low-powered pistols, so that'll take care of them nice.
How's the pigeon numbers doing?
Not what they were.
Yeah, you got about 150 of them. I think some of them left the area.
Yeah, they tend to do that when you beat them up too much, but either way, that's effective.
Barn too, if they're in there right now.
Yeah, we were thinking we'd bring the pistols back there too, because that's a dainty little tin roof in there.
I'm coming through this.
Yeah, we took a few off of that roof so far.
Good. So the boys just broke out pistols. Keith's got his,
Yes, sir.
and of course Steve's got mine.
Mine's got an actual scope. So
Yeah,
we'll see if that's an advantage or disadvantage in that barn. I think I'd rather have the red dot
yeah.
in there, but
So
one thing I know is at least like with the red dot, sometimes I was shooting and it was like, I don't know why I missed
yep.
because the red dot was on them. But with this, it shows you why you missed because it's like this the whole time, even though it seems like it's solid. So
You know, if you just hold the gun
yeah,
still.
right. Yeah, if only
Yep.
I could listen. To
So
Steve.
listen to Quiet Twerp. I mean Wyatt Earp over.
Carlos half-cocked. There you go. Who puts, what's this for? You gonna bipod your pistol there, Norm?
Absolutely.
An Aki-Tak on it. Alright, so I might be rolling you.
It's all according if you want any dead birds or not.
Norm, about 12 feet. What dot should I use?
Oh, the very top one.
All right.
See how this goes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I'll use the very top one.
I mean, you know they're in there. Shouldn't we just get in with them?
Well, no, I was looking for the rats.
Oh.
Here, hold on a second. I'm grabbing my respirator. This stinks in here.
Well,
You're just gonna have to die.
yeah. Well,
What? You want a Did you bring a respirator?
no, I didn't bring a respirator.
On you.
I'll just be rolling myself shooting in there, I guess. Yeah.
What?
Did you bring stockings to match that?
Did you bring your stockings, Steve?
You got a garter belt you want to put on with it?
That's what you know. Yeah. But you're gonna go in there breathing pigeon dust and pigeon crap.
Yeah.
And I'm not.
Those chickens don't have COVID, Steve.
Yeah. This is how Steve drives by himself in his car.
I yell at the little children on Halloween, where's your mask? Oh my god, there's like 20 in here.
Yeah. It's going to be productive. Oh yeah, nice shot. Just stay right here, Steve. Keep shooting through that opening. Get the one. Yeah, just hop down. Did you get him? I couldn't tell.
Yeah, he's down.
Okay.
They're shooting fish in a barrel.
Now I'm really starting to wish I had a respirator. Now that they're all moving around.
Yeah.
Oh, dead.
Oh, they're all right there.
Dead. Oh, he dropped like a stone. Him too.
Alright, I'm bored. You want to shoot?
Yeah, screw it. Here.
Alright. Oh yeah, he's down.
Not much challenge, but the job's gotta get done. Alright, see him on the wall back there?
Yep.
Done. So, good. Good, bud?
Yep. Nice shot.
He's just dead right there. I hit him again and nothing.
Yeah.
Is that all of them?
No, there's one right to the right.
Oh, okay, I see him. Gotta get a different angle here.
Yep, nice. And there should be one more in here. Yep, right there. He just retook his place. Oh, do you see him?
Yeah.
That should be the last one. Yep. Perfect. Perfect.
See what I'm talking about?
Go slowly.
This is the exact problem.
This is
This is what he does when I'm editing.
well,
too.
when you use geriatric people to fill your roster, what do you expect?
I mean, I know he can beat the hell out of us, so we shouldn't talk too loud, but I mean, this is standard fare when you're hunting with Norm. I think if he ran for president, he'd do that on the podium.
He might get a few votes then.
Yeah. So that wind's definitely coming from the right, but
Yeah. What do you think, you two?
I would probably get 3 to 4.
3 to 4? Okay.
More like 4.
The tree's moving.
I guess while he was sleeping, he uncocked his rifle.
Yeah, I wanted to be safe.
Dead.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good shot, bud.
Thanks. Good wind call, bud. 4 MOA.
Yeah, buddy. That's why you keep me around.
Hell yeah. Shoot, so.
Alright, so I am following Steve here. See what we can do.
Oh, smoked him, buddy.
No.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Dead. Nope. Sorry. I thought it was just crouched.
Okay, I don't
Still
think
on the
I-
left. Can you see it?
Yep.
Dead.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yep.
I can barely.
Nice. Okay, I can see him if you can see him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, smoked him, buddy. That had to be a headshot. Go for, there's one up on the, I'm gonna go for one of the upper ones.
Okay.
The upper one on the left.
Dead.
Right,
See, just. Never mind. Okay.
I know,
Is there
I
still
know.
one here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, up top there. Oh my god, you're
Right.
awesome with that pistol, dude.
Oh, did you see that? I was one-handed,
just
one-handed just
single-handed
like
it and
this.
Stoned it right there. I didn't have it on cam, but
That's
yeah, I was
okay.
recording
Man.
when you did it. Maybe he left, bud. There's only one left.
Yeah, could be.
I bet he got out of here.
I've never ever seen these barns empty.
No, we did a whole lot of killing today.
When we first came here, I told this farmer, if you let us shoot here, I guarantee we'll get rid of all the pigeons.
The first time I feel like we're actually close to that.
Yeah.
I feel like there's about 7 left in total and none left in this barn.
Probably, there's a few that stay locked in the barns and probably a flock of maybe 10 to 15 that won't land.
Yeah. But until neighboring farm ones come back, I think it's well in hand anyway. So, oh, he's camera shy? Hey man, you were supposed to be a thing.
He's like, don't try to bullcrap me with that. You don't have an apple.
Yeah, so we're signing off from here. That was plenty, I think. Probably turn that into 2, but made a great day.
Yeah, made a new friend.
Made a new friend.
That's my cousin.
It's a real horse's ass. We out.
We're out.
Bye.
Three, 2.
Done.
Done.